Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Irmayanti Sudirman. I am a lecturer from Fakultas of Business, Institut Ilmu Sosial and Business Anissa Pada, Parepare, Indonesia. Okay, I will present my article at the second icon in All International Economic and Business Conference, Universitas Muhammadiyah or UNISMU Makassar. Okay, the title of my article is The Role of Moral Reasoning, Emotional Intelligence on Fraud Intention Applied on Auditor Profession in Indonesia. Uh, okay, point number one about introduction. Fraud is deliberate act of deception that provide an advantage to the operator so that the company suffer losses. Auditors are required to be able to detect fraud that occur. Every KAP or public accounting firm desire to have competent auditor who are able to carry out audit tasks well. The auditor task is to evaluate the performance of an entity based on certain standard, then provide recommendation for improvement if necessary. Audit failure can be the main cause of company bankruptcy. There are several phenomena of fraud cases that occurred by a KAP auditor. For example, the scandal case at Enron Corporation, which ultimately went bankrupt. This bankruptcy was caused by an error by KAP Arthur Anderson, which was unable to detect fraud committed by Enron Corporation management. Apart from the Apart from that, in the country there are many cases resulting from a lack of audit quality by auditor, such as in the case of PT Garuda Indonesia Tbk, where sanction were given to KAP or public accounting firm Tanubrata Sutanto, Fahmi Bambang and Rekan and public accountant Kasnir Surampea, who is the auditor of the 2018 financial report of PT Garuda Indonesia Tbk. Audit quality according to the public accountant professional standard state that an audit carried out by an auditor is said to be of quality if it meets auditing standard and quality control standard. From the explanation above, to achieve good audit quality, an auditor must have an attitude of emotional intelligence and moral reasoning in fraud intention. An auditor must have emotional intelligence to detecting fraud intention. Emotional intelligence help auditor identify non-verbal signs that may indicate dishonesty, such as nervous body language or avoiding eye contact. In other words, emotional intelligence allow auditor to read social situation and understand the motivation behind other people's action so they can be more effective in identifying potential fraud. Furthermore, auditor must also have moral reasoning in detection fraud intention. An auditor with strong moral reasoning will more easily recognize if there are unreasonable transactions in company financial statement. He will question the reason behind the transaction and look for additional evidence to detect fraud. Fraud cases continue to occur in various ways, requiring auditors to improve their ability to detect fraud. So researchers are interested in detecting fraud in financial report so that no party is harmed. This research aims to analyze the influence of emotional intelligence and moral reasoning of on fraud intention. About literature review, this article used theory of planet behavior or TPB. The theory of planet behavior or TPB is a theory that explains the relationship between attitude, subjective norm, and the perfection of person behavioral intention. This theory was developed by Addison 1991, which was originally the theory of rational action and became the theory of planet behavior or TPB by adding a new construct, namely perceived behavioral control. This construct was added to determine the limitation that may occur when individuals have intention in their behavior. A person's intention to carry out an action is not only determined through subjective attitude and norm, but also the individual perfection of behavioral control based on belief about that control. In the explanation of the theory of behavior, it is concluded that intention is an initial considerating in determining behavior. Edison, 1991. Therefore, emotional intelligence, more reasoning, and fraud intention are considered as one of the intentions that influence human behavior, so that the theory of learned behavior can be used as the theoretical basis for this research. About methodology, method of collecting data is descriptive quantitative, population, KAP auditor in South Sulawesi, Indonesia. Sample is 187 auditor and use purposive sampling. Data type and source use is primary data using a questionnaire and distributing to all respondents. A method of collecting data use sample as version 4. Okay, about result and discussion, we can see table 2 about the direct effect. Hypothesis testing in the table 2 show that emotional intelligence has a significant positive effect on fraud intention with a statistical of 1.894 and significant value 0.000, smaller was 0.005. So hypothesis 1 is accepted. Furthermore, the test results show that moral reasoning has significant positive effect on fraud intention with a statistical of 1.975 and significant p-value 0.003, smaller 0.005. So hypothesis 2 is accepted. The test results show that emotional intelligence has a significant positive effect on fraud detection with a statistical of 1.897 and significant p-value 0.002, smaller 0.005. So hypothesis 3 is accepted. Move to result and discussion, table 3 about indirect effect. Hypothesis testing table 3 show that emotional intelligence are able to moderate moral reasoning on fraud intention. The result has a significant effect with a statistical of p-value 0.002, smaller 0.005. So hypothesis 4 is accepted. Okay, that's it my presentation, and I would like to thank you so much for the opportunity given to me, and I will end say wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.